prime is what I'm going to say at first, which is f prime is the slope of f. You could word this 100 different ways. This is the best way to do this. Again, there are a lot of different ways you could word that. It doesn't have to be exactly like that. Somehow let the reader know that you know G double prime and F prime are related, or you could have said the slope of G prime or something like that. Either way. Thing number 3. This is the last one we're going to do in class. The rest are all yours. And I gave you the due dates. And those of you who aren't in here yet, this is next week's calendar. We're going to grade average value 4 through 8 and the fundamental theorem on Tuesday. That'll take up most of Tuesday. You won't really have any work time or anything. On Wednesday, we'll grade 9 through 12 on the AP packet and the integration gateway. I tell them I will give you the answers to that, whatever you want them. If you want them earlier, we can do that. Thursday, 13 through 16 on the AP packet, and Friday we'll do an integration gateway. Monday and Tuesday of the following week, so the 14th and 15th is your first exam. So the graph of f is a semicircle of 2 lines like this. Let g be given by the function. It's the integral from 0 to x of f of t. Find g of 3. So g of 3, and since this is open response, I'm going to show how I know what I'm doing. Don't just, even on open response that doesn't say justify, don't just put an answer down without work. Now, don't make up work to show, but show AP what you're doing. So the integral from 0 to 3, I actually have a quarter of a circle there. Does everyone see how I have a quarter of a circle? So I'm going to do 1/4 times I r squared plus I've got a triangle, 1/2 base times height. Is that right? It's minus what? It's below the x-axis, so it is subtracting that area of that triangle. I'm going to leave this unsimplified. As you probably know by now, theoretically, I could stop there. AP would give me that answer. Actually answers time on its own. Find all values of the x on the open interval -2, 5 at which g has a relative maximum. Justify your answer. So if I'm looking for a relative maximum on g, how do I find that? Okay, look at the derivative of g, which we know is f, right? So I'm going to mental note that in my justification. G prime is f of g, right? Or f of x. And it says, when do we have a relative maximum? So how do you find relative maximums when you're looking at the derivative? Changes from positive to negative, right? So where does that happen? 2. So we have a relative maximum of 2. I would probably say that first if I had more room. Relative max at x equals 2. G prime equals f of t changes from positive to negative at x equals 2. Again, it would be good if you had a statement in there that said x equals 2 is where the relative maximum occurs. Don't forget to answer the question before you justify. Write an equation for the line tangent to the graph at 3. It's been a while since we've done tangent lines. How do you do tangent lines? Okay, good. Y minus the y value equals m times x minus the x value. And we have... We don't have the y and x value. What do we have? The derivative, right? Does everyone agree? We do have the y value. Where is that at? It's not just up there in the graph. Where is it? Part A. Good. They made us find it. We didn't really know why they made us find it, but they made us find it. Everyone agree with that? Everyone see that? So my answer is y minus, and I'm just going to put this in parentheses, pi minus a half equals m. What is the m at 3? Negative 1. Why? Because the derivative is the same as the slope. Does that make sense? Okay, any questions about that one? Oh, good about that one? It's been a while since we've done a tangent line, so.
Why was it pi minus 1 half?
That's a y value of g at 3. I found that part A. G of 3 is just half the part A.
Okay, so that's the same as here.
It is.
Okay, so it's
So to find the y value, I had to go back to the function.
okay.
Luckily, they made me do that part A. If not, you have to go do that. So I want the slope of g, right? This is f. Isn't f the slope of g? The derivative of this is f. And so the derivative at 3 is negative 1. Does that make sense? Find the x-coordinate of each point of inflection on the graph in the open interval -2 to 5. Justify your answer. 0 and 3. Does everyone agree 0 and 3 are the points of inflection? Why? Good. The function, which is g prime, right? That function is g prime. And if that's how we want to justify, we'll do that. So what did I say? 0 and 3. G prime, which is f of x, right? Changes. You're justifying it this way, you probably will have to say 2 statements. You saw a different justification on the last slide that you could have said in it word as well. From increasing to decreasing at 0 and decreasing to increasing at x equals 3. So you saw in the last slide and this slide 2 very correct different ways to explain a point of inflection. You could say g double prime equals